Hi, I'm Adam Seifer, a partner with the law firm of Seifer-Flatow in Charlotte, North Carolina, and head of the firm's criminal defense and driving while impaired division. I'm here today to discuss the situation that occurs when you're arrested on suspicion of driving while impaired, or DWI, and you have posted your bond at the jail, but yet the jail does not promptly release you from their custody. The question then becomes, how can this potentially help my case? The state has the right to develop its case and its evidence against you. Likewise, you have the right to develop your defense and collect evidence that might help ultimately prove your innocence. This includes the right to be around family and friends at a relevant time after the driving so they can observe your behavior, smell your breath, listen to you talk, etc. Because alcohol leaves the body over time, our courts have said that if there's a lengthy delay at the jail that is not your fault, and that delay causes your ability to defend against the charges to be prejudiced, you then may be entitled to a complete dismissal of your case. This is called a Knoll motion to dismiss based on a case titled State of North Carolina versus Knoll. Usually the way this plays out is that the law enforcement officers do not promptly release you from custody after you have met the conditions of your bond, thus preventing you from being observed by family and friends, or preventing you from going to a hospital to obtain a chemical analysis of alcohol concentration of your blood at a relevant time after the driving in question. At trial, the state's going to introduce the observations of the officer, which were taken shortly after driving, and it will introduce the results of a breath test that also was taken shortly after driving. You have the right to obtain similar observations from witnesses and to obtain your own chemical analysis as part of your defense. An experienced DWI defense attorney will be able to figure out if your rights were violated while in custody and whether your case was prejudiced as a result. If so, you may be eligible for a dismissal of the charges against you, even if you blew a very high number on the breath test. If you have been charged with the crime of driving while impaired, please call me and the law firm of Seifer-Flatow today at 704-512-0606 or visit us on the web at www.seiferflatow.com for a free consultation.